How to unmute microphone on Zoom. First thing first, you're going to have to download the Zoom application to mute your microphone. So once you have downloaded the app, just open it up. And once you launch the application, you just need to make sure that you are logged into your account. As you can see, I'm already logged in. And on the bottom side, you'll find a navigation bar with different options like meetings, team chats, documents, calendar, mail, and then more. Once you get to the more section, you'll find your profile right here. And if you just scroll down a bit, you'll find different options like settings. And here you can find general settings, your audio settings, and your meeting settings as well. Tap on meetings. And as you can see here on top, you'll find the audio section. Just make sure that the mute my microphone option is turned off. And now you've successfully unmuted your microphone on Zoom meetings. That's it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful. I'll see you on the next one.